Welcome to Pouse around the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit angle bead using a staple gun. So first of all, measure the length of the bead we need. Take your length of angle bead and apply your measurement to it. And just mark it with a pencil. Then taking a set of tin snips, snip one side of the bead like that, being careful not to go right up into the corner. Turn it round and do exactly the same to the other side. Then just bend it back like that, back and forth, and that will break on its own. Then I like to take off a 45-degree angle on every corner. So that you're left with your ends like that. Then using a staple gun, we're going to try and locate the staples around either side of one of the holes on this angle bead. Then place your angle bead up to the corner. And this just takes a bit of practice and knowing your stapler. Let's see if we get this first time now. So place that up to there. And you can see we just about got that. It will fire through the metal usually. If it doesn't and it sticks out, pull it out and just do another one. And putting staples in one side of your bead is absolutely fine. But if you want to pull it across in that direction, we can just go around the other side and just fire them in like that. Then when you put your 2 coats of plaster over this bead, it'll cover those staples up no problem at all. If you're interested in any of the tools or the products used in the video, then I'll put a link to those in the description section below. And if you found the video useful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pouse around the house. Ta-ta, farewell.